Hige, go on ahead.
Kiba!
Take Cheza and Blue. Keep them safe. No! Blue! Hige!
Go after him! Hurry! I'll take care of Blue.
Hige!
Hey, you finally made it. Cheza was taken by that freak. Kiba went after him.
Don't try to talk!
I need you to do me a favor. I want you to do it with your own fangs. Can't you forgive me yet? Tsume, am I still nothing but a traitor to you?
That doesn't matter anymore!
Please do it. I'm in pain here. Tsume. Let's meet again next time in paradise.
Cheza!
I will be the one who opens paradise.
I'm not gonna let you do it.
But why? Though opposite in nature, are we not both wolves? It makes no difference which one of us opens it. Paradise will be the same.
That's a lie! The only thing you'll open is a world of darkness!
Talk about pathetic.
Where's Hige?
Why do you continue this struggle? It is pointless. Paradise cannot be opened by the likes of you.
Save your breath, pal. I already know.
Cheza! Chesa! Tsume! Are you alright?
I'm a little tired, that's all. Go after him!
Tsume?
He's dead. Hige asked me to put him down. I don't feel like moving around anymore. I knew it all along. Somewhere deep down, I knew. That's why I lived the way I did. When I met you, it was so obvious. I would never be the one to open paradise. Just go.
Hang in there.
He has to be stopped.
Grab on.
Get the hell out of here! Let's meet again. Next time. In paradise.